Hey, this is Brett. Again, these are just update videos to show you what I do. This is another house over in the Parma area. You can see it's a nice area. The only reason I want to do a video on this house, there's a lot of work to this house. So when you're looking at a house, you know, you have to understand exactly what needs done. This particular house basically had 2 bedrooms, but we made it into 3. So had a finish here that we're putting. There's a closet over here, which finished up, but you can see we finished it up nice. Carpet. That was a water meter. You always want to cover those up. He'll put a panel in there too. You got that, and then but the key to this one too was they had two places for bathrooms, but none of them were in. And so we got that in, and that's what makes this one really 2 full baths in these smaller houses is huge. So this one will get $1,100 a month. But here's the first bathroom, which you know he's almost done with. But again, all this stuff's got to be done, and it's got to be budgeted, and you've got to get it done. The biggest problem I see, at least in the Cleveland market, is getting things done. This house has taken about 7 weeks. Usually a house takes 3 to 4 weeks, but because of this bathroom and the other one I'm going to be showing you, you can see here it's got a nice large kitchen. Now a lot of people would have put a bedroom there, but that would have really hurt the rent because, you know, you've got to have places to entertain. And you got to think about also when you're renting a house, the resale ability of the house if the client wants to do it. And you can see it left a nice big area to entertain in. That's important. And it has a first floor bathroom with a bedroom with a bathroom. So that's really a big plus also. The other thing I do is I don't like to put half baths in. I always just put a shower or something in there because it just makes it worth a lot more and it's not a bigger expense. So here's your second bathroom. Again, the tub. And then you can get that stuff at Home Depot, all this stuff, but it, you know, it's really nice, and you got to make sure all the plumbing's good, which I have a licensed plumber, licensed electrician, and all that to put this together. So again, when you're looking at income real estate, you got to think about the sellability of it. The sellability of a house is huge, and the location is one thing, but also it's got to be, you know, a layout that's reasonable. You want to have plenty of space to entertain, dining room, living room, and a kitchen. Now this is kind of a great room. It is different, but it still works. So people like that. Plus you've got a first floor master bathroom and second floor bathroom, so and a first floor bedroom. So that's huge because if you have an aging person wanting this, it'd be a perfect house. So it fits both the aging and the family. So this could go to a family or a single or an empty nester or whatever. So when you're looking at this type of real estate, understand what you're getting and what you can do with it, but don't make the mistake because one of my contractors wanted me to enclose this and make that a bedroom. That would have been a huge mistake because again, you wouldn't have any, you just have this little area here for entertainment. That just isn't going to work because entertainment areas are important, and so are bathrooms. Bathrooms are very important. If you're going to put in a half bath, you might as well put a full bath in. So again, this is an update. This is kind of what I do and what I look for. We rent our stuff in less than 2 weeks in most cases, and it just these particular houses here will go very quickly. So again, this is an update video, but when you're looking at heavy fixer-uppers like this one was, you know, make sure you got the budget and you got the people to do it. I had a lady call me from California and said that she couldn't get a house done, but the gentleman that, or the crews that were doing it, weren't finishing, but they came so, you know, they came so, you know, everybody promoted them and said they were good people. Look at what you're dealing with, look at who you're dealing with, how many houses have they finished, and look at their portfolio. I have no problem showing you my portfolio. I have a lot of homes I've done and finished. So that's the key, and that's why I do construction, and my wife has a property management company, and I'm a licensed realtor, is because we want to make sure these things get done. The only way they can get done is if you have the people to do them. So again, this is Brett. I'm with EXP Realty. And if you're looking for real estate to buy, to live in, income, anything, I'm your guy. I've done hundreds of these things. So please give me a call, 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740. Thanks.